Flooding overview. In this video, we'll review the definition of flooding, the difference between pooled and floodwater, the hazards associated with the flooding events, and the different types of flooding you can encounter. What is a flooding event? The LGMA metrics defines flooding as the flowing or overflowing of a field with water outside a grower's control that is reasonably likely to contain microorganisms of significant public health concern and is reasonably likely to cause adulteration of edible portions of fresh produce in that field. FDA considers any type of produce, including leafy greens, that has been in contact with floodwaters as adulterated and cannot be sold for human consumption. Pooled versus floodwater. The accumulation of water is not always considered as flooding. If water used for irrigation or rainwater were to pool in or around the crops, it is not likely to become a source of contamination to our planted product. Since this water is safe, this is defined as pooled water. However, if non-characterized water sources or waters outside the control of the farming operation were to enter the field and there were unknown risks associated with the accumulation of that water, then it is considered floodwater. An example of floodwater could be a storm-related wastewater discharge onto a romaine lettuce field. There is a high risk that this water is carrying pathogens or substances that present a hazard to those who will consume the lettuce that came in contact with the contaminated water. Hazards related to flooding events. Hazards associated with floodwaters potentially include biological, chemical, and physical agents, including chemicals and pesticides, heavy metals, pathogens, garbage and debris. Chemical hazards are substances used in urban and industrial areas like oils, cleaning solutions, detergents, and other substances that do not belong in or near the crops. Pesticides could come from storage areas or basins affected by the flooding, or from pesticides that were applied on a different field and were carried by the water during the flooding event. Heavy metals from environmental, industrial, and urban sources can be carried by floodwater onto the crops and are considered a hazard since they can cause serious harm to the human body, like gastrointestinal and kidney dysfunction, nervous system disorders, and even cancer. Pathogens can be transported from CAFO or AFO production facilities, septic systems, composting facilities, animal carcasses, human waste treatment facilities, or from many other places. Some of them, like Shiga toxin-producing E. coli and Salmonella, can cause serious illnesses. Garbage and debris can be washed into the field and surrounding growing areas. In regular conditions, measures are actively taken to ensure these hazards are not in contact with our crops, but a flooding event can quickly spread them all over the field through the water. The three types of flooding. It is unlikely that we'll always be able to predict or prevent a flooding event. Therefore, it is important to know the appropriate steps that need to be taken after a flooding event occurs. The areas that have been flooded can be separated into three types: product that has been in direct contact with floodwater, product that is in proximity to the flooded area but has not been in direct contact with floodwater, a field that was partially or completely flooded before a crop is planted. More information on the three types of flooding can be found in the video Best Practices for the Three Types of Flooding. This is the end of our flooding overview video, developed by Food Safety CTS for California LGMA.